Good morning, students. Last time we had seen if two lines are given and they are parallel, intersected by a transversal, then pair of corresponding angles are equal, pair of alternate angles are equal, and co-interior angles, pair of co-interior angles are supplementary. Today we will see its converse. See, I have written here, if two lines, see, the statement is two lines, it is not given that it is parallel. If two lines intersected by a transversal such that the first statement, if any pair are, when two lines intersected by a transversal such that any pair of corresponding angles are equal, then lines are parallel. कन्वर्स है उसका, लाइंस जब पैरेलल थी, किसी ट्रांसवर्सल से कट कर रही थी, तो कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स इक्वल होते थे. यहां पे क्या है, कोई भी टू लाइंस है, ट्रांसवर्सल से कट करें, इस तरीके से कट करें कि फोर पेयर्स कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स के होते हैं, उनमें से कोई भी एक पेयर कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स का इक्वल हो जाए तो लाइंस पैरेलल हो जाएंगे. ओके, सो फर्स्ट pause the video and write all these things. I am going to explain each one by one. Okay, so the first one, read this statement: if any pair of corresponding angles are equal, then lines are parallel. Means, see, two lines here given. Okay, that is L, that is M, intersected by a transversal T, and some angles are formed: angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7, angle 8. We know that corresponding angles are 1, 5, 2, 6, 3, 7, 4 and 8. First, the statement wants to say you that if angle 1 is equal to angle 5 or angle 2 is equal to angle 6 or angle 3 is equal to angle 7 or angle 4 is equal to angle 8. Four pairs of corresponding angles, if any one of them are equal, then these lines L is parallel to M. Got it? We know that if two lines are parallel intersected by a transversal, then pair of alternate angles are equal. There are four pairs of alternate angles, two alternate interior angles, two alternate exterior angles. Okay, so it's converse. If two lines are given intersected by a transversal such that any pair of alternate angles are equal, then lines are parallel. Means what it want to say, that if two lines are given, see here, the two lines L and M are given, intersected by a transversal T. Second one, this one, the statement is, if any pair of alternate angles means angle 3 is equal to angle 5, if angle 3 equal to angle 5 or angle 4 is equal to angle 6, angle 4 is equal to angle 6, angle 2 is equal to, these two are alternate interior angles, angle 2 is equal to angle 8, angle 2 equal to angle 8 or angle 1 is equal to angle 7, these two are alternate exterior angles. Okay, if any one of these four happen, then that is the symbol of then, lines here is parallel to M. Okay, and the third statement, if any pair of co-interior angles are supplementary, then lines are parallel. We know that if two lines are parallel intersected by a transversal, then pair of co-interior angles are supplementary. Co-interior angles are supplementary. Okay, it's converse. If any two lines are given intersected by a transversal such that any pair of co-interior angles are supplementary, then lines are parallel. Means the third statement wants to say that if two lines L and M are given intersected by a transversal T, you can see this 4 and 5 form co-interior angles. If their sum 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180, means their sum is equal to 180. We know that supplementary angles are that angles whose sum is equal to 180 are another pair of co-interior angles 3 and 6. This 3 and 6. Angle 3 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degree. Then lines are parallel. L is parallel to M. Okay. So in class 7th you have read such type of questions. If two lines are given intersected by a transversal, and if someone asked you if sum of angles are given, and if someone asked you that these lines are parallel or not, then how can you prove this, that lines are parallel or not? By using these statements. See that any pair of corresponding angles are equal or not. If any pair of corresponding angles are equal, lines are parallel. They are not equal, lines are not parallel. Any pair of alternate angles are equal, then lines are parallel. If not equal, not parallel. Any pair of co-interior angles are supplementary, then lines are parallel. If not equal, their sum is not equal to 180, then they are not parallel. I am going to give you some example. See. Suppose in the same figure it is given, in this figure it is given that angle 1 is equal to 60 degree. Okay, and angle 8 equal to 120 degree, and question is L is parallel to M. 1 is given 60 degree, angle 8 is given 120 degree, and question asks that lines are parallel or not. What is the relation between angle 1 and angle 8? No relation. They are corresponding? No. Alternate? No. Co-interior? No. No any relation. We have to find out the relation between two angles which are either corresponding angles, alternate angles, or co-interior angles. It is very easy to find out that angles. See, if we succeed to find out angle 5, so angle 1 and angle 5 are corresponding angles, and if they are equal, lines are parallel. If they are not equal, lines are not parallel. Okay, so I am going to find out angle 5. See, angle 8 is given. Angle 8 is 120 degree, and angle 5 and angle 8 are formed linear pair. You can see linear pair. See its solution. Angle 5 plus angle 8 is equal to 180 degree because they form linear pair, and sum of linear pair is 180 degree. Now angle 8 is 120 degree plus this is angle 5 equal to 180. So from here angle 5 is equal to 180 minus 120, that is 60 degree. Clearly angle 1 is equal to angle 5 and both are equal to 60 degree. 1 is 60, it is given, and 5 is 60. We find out here. So angle 1 is equal to angle 5 and both are equal to 60 degree. And angle 1 and angle 5 form corresponding angles. Means that is a pair of corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. And if any pair of corresponding angles are equal, then lines are parallel. Clearly, this line L is parallel to M. Okay? Now, another example based on the same statement. See, in the same figure, if it is given that angle 1 is equal to 60 degree and angle 6 equal to 125 degree. Okay? Is L is parallel to M? L and M are parallel. See its solution. See, angle 1 and angle 6 is given. Angle 1 and angle 6 is given. Any relation between 1 and 6? No relation. Okay? But we have to find out something, any angle, which relate to each other. Either co-interior angle, or they are corresponding, or they are alternate. So if you can see, angle 1 and angle 3 are equal. Angle 1 and angle 3 are equal. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angles. Angle 3 equal to angle 1. Vertically opposite angles. Clearly, angle 3 is equal to 60 degree because angle 1 is 60 degree. It is given. Now, what is the relation between angle 3 and angle 6? They are co-interior angles. Co-interior angles. So, if co-interior angles are supplementary, lines are parallel. If they are not supplementary, they are not parallel. How can we prove that these two angles are supplementary or not? Find out their sum. If their sum is equal to 180 degree, sum of two angles is equal to 180 degree, then that two angles are supplementary. If their sum is not equal to 180 degree, they are not supplementary. So, now find out angle 6 plus angle 3. That is, angle 6 is given 125 degree and angle 3 is 60 degree. Clearly, this is equal to 185 degree. This is not equal to 180 degree. This is not equal to 180 degree. So, angle 3 plus angle 6 is not equal to 180 degree. Clearly, and they are not supplementary. Okay? That is, pair of co-interior angles are not supplementary. Okay? So, lines are not parallel. L is not parallel to M. In class 7th, you have read such type of questions. Both type of questions which I had discussed here. Okay? Now, see, a line is given, that is L, and there are two more lines, M and N, and these two lines are parallel to the same line L. M is parallel to L, also N is parallel to L. This line and this line parallel to the same line L. Then these two lines are parallel or not? M and N are parallel or not? Means, what is the statement here? That if two lines are parallel to the same line, then that two lines are parallel or not? Students, actually they are also parallel. If the three lines are on the same plane and two lines are parallel to the same line, then that two lines are also parallel to each other. Then here statement is what? If two lines are parallel to same line, then the two lines are also parallel to each other. Okay, so what is given here? See what is given here. L is parallel to M, also L is parallel to N. Means these two lines are parallel to the same line L. To prove, what we have to prove? That these two lines are also parallel to each other. M is parallel to N. Okay, so से इट्स प्रूफ। एक ट्रांसवर्सल आप बना लो, मेक अ ट्रांसवर्सल T, okay, which intersect these three lines at different points, at point A, B, C. Draw a transversal T which intersect L, M and N at points A, B and C respectively. Okay, so suppose this angle is 1, that is angle 2 and that is angle 3. See, L is parallel to M, it is given. Now L is parallel to M and this T is what? Transversal. T is transversal. Okay. So what is the relation between these two angles? These two angles, they are corresponding angles. And because these two lines are parallel, corresponding angles must be equal. Clearly from here we conclude that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Okay. Because they form corresponding angles. Okay, suppose this is first. Now, also what is given? L is parallel to N and T is what? T is transversal. So, concentrate on these two lines, L and N. This is a transversal. So, what is the relation between angle 1 and angle 3? Again, they are corresponding angles. They are corresponding angles. And because these two lines are parallel, corresponding angles must be equal. So, angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Corresponding angles. Okay? Corresponding angles. That is second. Now, from first and second, what we can conclude? You can see their left sides are equal. So, their right sides must be equal. Means from here we conclude that angle from first and second, angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Now, see this M and N are two lines. They are parallel or not, we don't know. The two lines, M and N are two lines and T is a transversal. What is the relation between angle 2 and angle 3? They form corresponding angles. And here we prove they are equal. Means corresponding angles becomes equal. And when two lines intersected by a transversal such that any pair of corresponding angles are equal, then lines are parallel. We know this. Okay? That's why these two lines are also parallel to each other. So what we have to write here? M and N are two lines intersected by transversal T such that angle 2 is equal to angle 3. That is a pair of corresponding angles. देखो आप ये और ये एंगल corresponding angles हैं और यहाँ पे हमने प्रूव कर दिया कि corresponding angles equal है. Pair of corresponding angles becomes equal. That's why these two lines are parallel. M is parallel to M. Got it? So what we conclude from here, that if two lines are given intersected by a transversal, if two lines are parallel to the same line, then that two lines are also parallel to